In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Xbox account to Steam Forza Horizon 5. By the end, your Steam copy of Forza Horizon 5 will use your Xbox Live profile, so your gamer tag, friends, and online progress travel with you across devices. Start by opening Steam and launching Forza Horizon 5. On the very first launch, the game automatically checks for an Xbox profile, and if it doesn't find one linked yet, you'll see a sign into Xbox Live dialog box appear. This is expected and it's the gateway to connecting your Steam and Xbox experiences. When the dialog appears, choose Sign In. You'll be asked to enter your Microsoft or Xbox account credentials. Use the account you already play Xbox games with, since that's the one tied to your gamer tag. Achievements and any prior progress. Keep your login details private and only enter them in the official sign-in window. If you use additional verification like a security code, just follow the prompts to complete the sign. After you are signed in, you'll be guided through a quick confirmation in the Steam overlay to allow the link between your Steam profile and your Xbox profile. This permission step is what lets Steam know it can connect to your Xbox Live data for this game. Read the prompt, then confirm to continue. You might notice your gamer tag or profile picture displayed here. This is a good sign that the right account is being linked. Once you've confirmed, the game will connect using your Xbox Live profile. This verification happens in the background and typically finishes quickly. You can tell it's complete when your gamer tag appears in game and online features become available. From here on out, Forza Horizon 5 on Steam uses your Xbox Live identity for things like online multiplayer, clubs, leaderboards, and cross-network play. If you've used this Xbox account before on other devices, your identity and social connections come with you, giving you a seamless experience. That's it. Thanks for watching.